Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Pikachu for beginners, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started by drawing in Pikachu's arms. We're going to start on the left hand side, curving this around and down. We'll do the exact same thing, lining that up at the same height, curving this over and across on the right. Now we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes in for the finger. We're going to pull that back out and down. Let's move across again, replicating that. One last time, just drawing it in a small diagonal line coming out. Now let's move up. Let's frame in the face. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line in. We'll do the exact same thing on the right, ending that at the same height. Let's arch this up and in on the left, replicating that on the opposite side. Now in the center, we're going to curve this over and down. Let's frame in the ear. So on the left-hand side, we're going to round this out, pulling this through towards the top of our page. And then from that point, we're just going to pull this back down to the top. We'll frame in the right ear. So we're going to extend this further out towards the side of our page this time. And then from there, we're going to pull this back around and in. Now underneath, we're going to curve this up and over. And then we'll replicate that on the bottom, tucking that up. Let's close off the arm here. So on the side, we're going to curve this around, joining that to that diagonal line. And then we'll replicate that on the right, curving this around and back in. Let's close off the bottom of Pikachu's face with a slight curved line right in the middle. Now let's come up. We're going to draw in the face slightly on the diagonal here. So in the center, we're going to draw in a small sideways oval. And then we're just going to color that in black. Right in the center, we're going to come down, curving that out on the left. And then we'll do the exact same thing, curving that out and across on the right. Now let's come up. For the eye on the left-hand side, let's draw in a circle. And then let's do the exact same thing on the right. Let's come over towards the inside corner, and we're going to draw in another circle for that highlight. And then now let's just color in our eyes black. Let's frame in the cheek. We're going to curve this down on the left. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right, tucking that over. We're just going to add in Pikachu's tail behind. So we're going to curve this out on a diagonal on the right. We'll draw this diagonal line coming down towards the corner. We'll pull this back in underneath. And now let's bring that out again and tucking that back into that right arm. And that is it. That's how you draw Pikachu for beginners. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.